Hi everyone, once again welcome back to our online learning platform. So today we are going to continue our previous session, that is NEET 2020 biology previous year paper questions. So as we all know that candidates will get different types of set scores like E1, E2, E3 and F1, F2, F3. So today we are going to discuss about NEET 2020 biology E1 set category biology previous year questions. So let's start with our first question. Which of the following is not an attribute of a population? 1. Sex ratio. 2. Nationality. 3. Mortality. 4. Species interaction. Second question. The progress of growth is maximum during 1. Log phase. 2. Lag phase. C. Senescence. 4. Dormancy. Third question. The roots that originate from the base of stem 8 are 1. Fibrous roots. 2. Primary roots. 3. Prop roots. 4. Lateral roots. The fourth question, here it is, and match the following disease with the causative organism and select the correct option. Here we have column 1 and column 2. So we need to answer the question as per the options and as per the direction. So fifth question, in which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive? 1. GIFT and IUT. 2. GIFT and GIFT. 3. ICSI and ZIFT. 4. GIFT and ICSI. Sixth question. Identify the wrong statement with reference to the Gen I that controls ABO blood groups. Option 1. The Gen 1 has 3 LSs. Option 2. A person will have only 2 of 3 LS. Option 3. When IA and IB are present together, they express same type of sugar. Finally, the option 4. LLI does not produce any sugar. Seventh question. Choose the correct pair from the following. As in option 1 we have ligases. Join the two DNA molecules. 2. Polymerases. Break the DNA into fragments. Option 3. Nucleases. Separate the two strands of DNA. Option 4. Exonucleases. Make cuts at specific positions within DNA. So select the correct match. It is 8th question. And 9th question is also match the following columns and select the correct option. 11th question. Identify the substances having glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. 1. Chitin, cholesterol. 2. Glycerol, trypsin. C. Cellulose, icythine. 4. Insulin, inulin. 12th question. The plant parts which consist of two generations, one within the other. A. Pollen grains inside the anther. B. Germinated pollen grain with two male gametes. C. Seed inside the fruit. D. Embryo sac inside the ovule. So, and the options are 1. A only, 2. A, B and C, 3. C and D, 4. A and D. 13th question. The products of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plants is are option 1. Ammonia alone. Option 2. Nitrate alone. Option 3. Ammonia and oxygen. Option 4. Ammonia and hydrogen. 14th question in the list. Identify the correct statement with regard to Z1 phase, that means gap 1 of interphase. 1. DNA synthesis or replication takes place. 2. Reorganization of all cell components takes place. 3. Cell is metabologically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. Final option 4. Nuclear division takes place. 15th question. Cuboidal epithelium with brush border of microvilli is found in lining of intestine. Option 2. Ducts of salivary glands. Option 3. Proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. 4. Estrogen tube. 16th question. Which of the following statements about inclusion bodies is incorrect? They are not bound by any membrane. Option 2, these are involved in ingestion of food particles. Option 3, they lie free in the cytoplasm. Option 4, these represents reserve material in cytoplasm. 17th question, which is the important site of formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids in eukaryotic cells? A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option 2, peroxisomes. Option 3, Golgi bodies. Option 4, polysomes. 18th question, in gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of ectoramine in bright blue light. Option 2, ethidium bromide in UV radiation. Option C, acetocaramine in UV radiation. Option 4, ethidium bromide in infrared radiation. 19th question, identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Option 1, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is mainly related to partial pressure of O2. Option 2, partial pressure of CO2 can interfere with O2 binding with hemoglobin. Option 3, higher H plus concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Finally, option 4, low PCO2 in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. 20th question, ray florets have inferior ovary. Option 2, superior ovary. Option 3, hypogonous ovary. Option 4, half inferior ovary. 21st question, the specific palindromic sequence which is recognized by ECORI is option 1, 5 GAATTC minus 3, option 2, option 3 and option 4 as I have mentioned like this way. 22nd question, identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzymes. Guys, just see the matter as by downloading some characters are clumsy, so I will explain the question. I will read the question very clearly, so just identify the question, don't look the paper. First one, each restriction enzyme functions by inspecting the length of a DNA sequence. Option 2, they cut the standard of DNA palindromic sites. 3, they are useful in genetic engineering. Sticky ends can be joined by using DNA ligases. 23rd question, which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment? 1, primary sludge. 2, floating debris. 3, effluents of primary treatment. 4, activated sludge. 24th question, select the correct events that occur during inspiration. A, contraction of diaphragm. B, contraction of external intercostal muscles. C, pulmonary volume decreases. D, intrapulmonary pressure increases. And the options are 1 A and B, 2 C and D, 3 A, B and D, 4 only D. If the head of cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because the supraesophageal ganglia of the cockroach are situated in ventral part of abdomen. Option 2, the cockroach does not have nervous system. Option 3, the head holds a small portion of a nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral part of its body. Final option 4, the head holds 1/3 of a nervous system while the rest is situated along the dorsal part of its body. 26th question, which of the following statements are true for the Phylum Chordata? A, Inurochorata notochord extends from head to tail and it is present throughout their life. Option B, Invertebrata notochord is present during the embryonic period only. Option C, central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Option D, chordata is divided into 3 subplia, Hemichordata, Tunicata and Ceplochordata. 1, D and C, 2 C and A, 3 A and B, 4 B and C. 27th, match the organism with its use in biotechnology. So let's check the options. And the correct option from the following, as they have asked the question as option 1, 2, 4 D. Option 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 3. Option 3, 3, 2, 1. Option 4, sorry everyone, as the options are became very clumsy by downloading. So in the next time we'll take care of each and everything. Option 1 2 4 3, option 2 4 3 1, option 3 3 2 1, option 4 3 4 2. 28. Match the following containing essential elements and their functions in plants. So as this match the followings are just jumble in this, so I will go to the next statements. 29th question, identify the incorrect statement. Hardwood does not conduct water but gives mechanical support. Option 2, sapwood is involved in conduction of water and minerals from root to leaf. Option 3, sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and it's lighter in color. 4, due to deposition of tannins, resins, oils, etc., hardwood is dark in color. Another match the following question. So please take care of while answering this type of questions and while reading this type of questions. Uh, it may make clumsy from some technical reasons. So I'm going to 31st question. Meiotic division on the secondary arctoid is completed. 1. Prior to ovulation. 2. At the time of copulation. 3. After zygote formation. After 4. At the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum. 32 question. According to Robert May, the global species diversity is about. Option A 1.5 billion, option 2 20 million, option 3 50 million, option 4 7 million. 33rd question. The first phase of translation is 1. Binding of mRNA to ribosome. Option 2. Recognition of DNA molecule. Option 3. Aminosylation of tRNA. Option 4. Recognition of an anticodon. 34th question. Which of the following regions of the globe exhibits highest specific diversity? 1. Western Ghats of India. 2. Madagascar. 3. Himalayas. 4. Amazon forest. 35th question. Which of the following statement is not correct? 1. In man, insulin is synthesized as a proinsulin. 2. The proinsulin has an extra peptide called C-peptide. Option 3. The functional insulin has the A and B chains linked together by hydrogen bonds. Finally, option 4. Genetically engineered insulin is produced in E. coli. 36th question. The transverse section of a plant shows following anatomical features. A. Large number of scattered vascular bundles surrounded by bundle sheet. Option B. Large conspicuous parasympathematous ground tissue. C. Vascular bundles conjoined and disclosed. D. Polum parenchyma absent. Identify the category of plant and its part. So the options are 1. Monocotyledonous stem. 2. Monocotyledonous root. Option 3. Dicotyledonous stem. Option 4. Dicotyledonous roots. Here it is another match the following question. I have leaving the question, so just read the question clearly. And if you have any doubts regarding these questions, I will provide the PDFs so you can download from our bookstore. It's very less cost. 30th question. From his experiments, S.L. Miller produced amino acids by mixing the following in a closed flask. 1. CH4H2NH3 and water vapor at 800 degrees centigrade. 2. CH3H2NH4 and water vapor at 800 degrees centigrade. 3. CH4H2NH3 and water vapor at 600 degrees centigrade. 4. CH3H2NH3 and water vapor at 600 degrees centigrade. 39. Embryological support for evolution was disapproved by 1. Carl Ernst von Baer. 2. Alfred Wallace. C. Charles Darwin. 4. Oparin. 40. The process responsible for facilitating loss of water in liquid from the tip of grass blades and at night and in early morning is 1. Transpiration. 2. Root pressure. 3. Imbition. 4. Plasmolysis. 41 questions. Secondary metabolites such as nicotine, strinsin and caffeine are produced by plants for their 1. Nutritive value, 2. Growth response, 3. Defense action, 4. Effect on reproduction. 42nd question. The oxygenation activity of rubisco enzyme in photorespiration leads to the formation of 1. 2 molecules of 3 compound, 2. 1 molecule of 3C compound, 3. 1 molecule of 6C compound, 4. 1 molecule of 4C compound and 1 molecule of 2C compound. 43rd question. BT cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of toxin gene of Balaeus transgenicis, that means BT is resistant to option 1 insect pests, option 2 fungal diseases, option 3 plant and neptodes, option 4 insect predators. 44th question. Which of the following refer to correct examples of organisms which have evolved due to changes in environment brought about by anthropogenic action? A. Darwin species of Galapagos Islands. B. Herbicide resistant weeds. C. Drug resistant eukaryotes. D. Man created breeds of domesticated animals like dogs. And options are 1 only A, 2 A and C, 3 B, C and D, 4 only D. Identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. When exposed to antigen, mean living or dead, antibodies are produced in the host body. It is called active immunity. Option 2. When ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called passive immunity. Option 3. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. Option 4. Fetus receives some antibodies from mother. It is an example for passive immunity. 46th question. By which method was a new breed hysteridal of sheep formed by using Bikaneeri ewes and Merino rams? 1. Outcrossing. 2. Mutational breeding. C. Crossbreeding. D. Inbreeding. 47th question. Identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system. 1. Ileum opens into small intestine. 2. Serosa is the innermost layer of the alimentary canal. 3. Ileum is a highly colloid part. 4. Vermiform appendix arises from duodenum. Here is another. Match the following columns and select the correct option. So please read the question very carefully. So I am going to 49th question. Presence of which of the following conditions in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus? 1. Uremia and ketonuria. Option 2. Uremia and renal calculi. Option 3. Ketonuria and glycosuria. 4. Renal calculi and hyperglycemia. Final 50th question. Floridine structures similar to structured cellulose. 2. Amylopectin and glycogen. 3. Mannitol and algin. 4. Laminarin and cellulose. So in this session I am summing up with 15 questions of NEET 2020 biology previous year E1 category paper 1. So in our next session I will continue the same even sections rest of the questions. In our next video I will provide the questions very clearly, and in this section some match the following questions are becomes jumbled as due to some technical problems I guess. So if you are if you have any doubts, you can download these questions from our bookstore with very less price, and you can follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and Telegram too. Thanks for supporting.